Hi. So today we are diving into an exciting use case, that is booking a yoga class through our Agent Force system. So first, we check the user input. If there is a matching account and contact already in the system, the agent direct proceeds to book the class. But what if we don't find a match? Then no worries, because the agent automatically creates a new account and contact based on the user's input and then continues with the booking process.
So, let's discuss topic events and webinar automation. We have created the agent name agent and webinar automation. So, let's open up this agent and see the high level idea about this agent is that by using this agent, we are able to create the event as well as we are able to register for particular event. Once the user registered for this event, he or she will be notified by confirmation email. So the event is completed, the user will receive feedback email where they can give feedback about particular event.
So let's now open this particular agent. This agent contains topic webinar event management. This topic contains several instructions and several topic actions. So now let's give a prompt of simple message. Now agent will ask, how could I assist you? Let's give input as I want to create the event. After receiving agent, now ask information like subject of event start and end date and start time for event creation. These are basic info that are needed for event creation. So now let's give detailed subject as Excel Value Foundation. Now our next step event would be to book for event. Now give input as I want to book for the event. Now agent asks for event name, give event name we just created as the Excel Value Foundation. After this, now once it received event name, then it will check event name. It will ask for the email address for booking or it does not exist, then it will throw error. Here, as Excel Value Foundation exists, it didn't go through any error. Now, after receiving, it checks if the email exists in Salesforce or not. As in this case, email is available in Salesforce, you can see the contact with same email exists. For that reason, it didn't throw any error. Now, we are going to look for, after that, now as it's asking for confirmation, give input as I am confirming. Once your booking is confirmed, you will be notified with an email. Okay. Now open email and you will receive email for confirmation for the event, and the event will be Value Foundation. So we can see the actual date we have booked for the event. Now we are going to see the event record which we created. We'll analyze what happened when event is completed, right? So we are going to edit record. We are going to add dates from the past and save record. And after that, we are going to run the batch class. right? Which we already implemented, and we are going to schedule it for the daily basis. So we are going to run that batch class, and we are going to schedule it on daily basis in night at 11:59 p.m. Now, the batch class will check which completed yesterday, and a feedback will be sent out. Right now, after that, we are going to open our inbox and we are going to check. Here is the mail we received for feedback from schedule batch class. It says, please click the link below to give feedback for the event Excel Valley Foundation. Open link for feedback, and you can give feedback. We have implemented community page for feedback using Lightning component, which gives option for feedback. Now, give feedback as good, and then after that, you can submit. After that, on event record, in record details, we have a child object feedback. Now, slide down. This is the feedback we provided via our email. So, you can basically check from the screen that is shared.
Thanks for watching. To get in touch or learn more, email us or call us with mentioned details. Please do let me know in the comment section for any query. We are here to help you build a smarter, safer AI solution.